In this video, I am going to explain the audio effects which is available inside Camtasia software. Camtasia offers very limited number of audio effects, but it is better than having nothing. It offers like fade in, fade out, emphasize. So in this video, I am going to explain all the options to you. So let's jump into the computer screen and let me show how audio effects work inside Camtasia Studio. जाएंगे और यहाँ पर recording. As you can see, there is too much noise in this video. Let me go to the audio effects and AI noise removal. Click and drag and it will automatically reduce the background noise. इसके बाद हम यहाँ पर recording का path select कर सकते हैं. Let me turn this off for now. And यहाँ से हम recording format को MP4 पे click कर देंगे. इसके बाद ये आपको can see there is a lot of difference between and before and after. You can emphasize too. And what does emphasize do? Let's suppose this is a video that I have made and I have added background music too. So when I am not talking, background music will go up, and when I'm talking, background music will go down. So that's how emphasize works. You can add audio compression, fade in and fade out. Like when the music is ending, you can add this effect right here, and you can see there is a small circle have appeared. You can add how much time does it take to the fade in, and you can also add the fade out effect and fade in both like this. So now I will click here. You can see the fade in. Now I can click and drag this here too. That's how we can make the audio louder, or you can add gain from here too. You can see that. That's how it works. I hope you like this part of the Camtasia Studio. I will see you in the next video. Till then, this is Danik signing off. Goodbye.